Hello dear friends, this is Virendra. How do you do? I'm very happy to be with you with some knowledge to share with you, which I'm trying day and night to understand, to visualize, and to chew and digest and convert into wisdom and practice in my life. But the very purpose of life is not to just be happy, but share with your all people whom you love. And I guarantee you I love you so much. I enjoyed loving people. This is my passion. And this is only my entrepreneurship in my life. To dedicate and commit for others' happiness. One of the greatest wise men of this world once expressed his idea. And it is literally true that you can succeed best and quickest by helping others to succeed. There is no other pleasure and happiness in life than to see others happy, because this is the job of the Almighty Father, the divine power who loves everyone, who cares for everyone, who created everyone. And all the mankind are dependents on that supreme power, the Father in the heaven, the Lord, the God, the limitless, the omnipresent, the omnipotent. So let's become His true children and try to share with all our beloved friends the ideas we are acquiring, using more widely with a lot of interest. So the main motive of my life is to live for others and share with all my great friends. You know, Napoleon Hill is such a great man. He has committed himself to share all his wisdom of life, which he acquired from the great industrialist, the philanthropist, the great businessman, whose story is nothing but from rags to riches. The poorest can rise to the richest man, and he understands. With a positive mental attitude, heaven can be brought on earth. That will be the greatest wealth for any human being. Another greatest wealth is your sound health. Another is harmony with the people, with the world around you. And you are free from freedom. And you are always optimistic. Your hope for your future achievements, which you have dreamt about, which you have dared to persevere and persist patiently, and never giving up and never quitting. And you have always a capacity for the applied faith. Nothing succeeds like success. You always believe what the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can achieve. And you are willing always to share all your blessings, your wisdom, your knowledge, your wealth, everything with other people, with open-minded to all the subjects and towards all the people, without making any discrimination. You belong to everyone, and everyone belongs to you. And this is your hobby. This is your fun. You are not working. You are enjoying. And that's why you can be great success in life. And that is your greatest wealth in life. And remember, one of the greatest ingredients of your life is complete self-discipline. Without self-discipline, nothing greatness can be achieved. This is the greatest secret of success, getting yourself to do what you really need to do, choosing to do what you feel is right, and will bring the results you want into your life. Long-term goal. The journey is long, but you are determined, you are daring, you are willing, you are energetic, you are enthusiastic, and you don't know the word impossible, and you never give up, never quit. You dare to challenge every failures, every defeat, and every adversity as a challenge, and with your will and with your faith and hope in your belief and conviction, which is the power of your personality, you persevere, you persist, you patiently keep your sight on the goal, and you are going to be successful in life. It is bringing order and efficiency into your life, creating a structure in your life, and you are doing this with a lot of love and passion, enthusiastically, motivated and inspired, because that is life. Success comes from taking charge of yourself and feeling proud of yourself and believing that the supreme power you were born is the power of your intellect, is the power of your mind, and you are praying God always that Lord, my God, bless me with the courage, with the conviction, so that we can use our intellect, the power of mind, to direct and control and put it totally focused, obsessively, resolutely on the direction where is our dream, where is our goal, where is our target of life, and which is our objective. I think, dear friends, this belief, conviction, and your power of the mind, by using which all the great people become great, will bring greatness to you, will bring peace to you, will bring happiness to you, will bring all the blessings on the earth which God has created for anybody else without any discrimination. Now it is up to you. What is your goal? What is your dream? And there is no limitations from the limitless God. It is you who can set your goal. You can set as big as possible. God is going to give you. Your mind is going to direct and control all your action and lead you to that greatness. The limitations you should never have in your life. You should not fix a boundary in your life. You can achieve everything. That should be your belief. That should be your concept. And constantly, confidently striving for perfection will lead you to greatness. It is assured. Wish you great luck, great perseverance, great endeavor towards your success. May God bless you. Thank you very much.